Hey guys, this is Luis with Vidriokar class replacement. We're doing R9 Nissan Titan 2425. The problem with the leak on the windshield. Remember those new Titan, some ones they are leaking, so it's one of these. We're using the R9 tool. Remember we use the circumference of the whole tool around to make the turns and using for all the play you want. This time you can just put the power pump or you can use the regular pump. So this is gonna start working. Let me use this the Z-wire technique on the corner first. Lot of glue there. Then remove the headliner and see the clip. And let me lock this guy. We broke the clip, and that's it. So we cut this area, and now let's go all the way to the right. So on this way, we only have to do is one move. Depending on the class, sometimes you have to make another move, but usually you do only one with this technique. Now you pass all the way here. This is not too many times the pump. It's because you push the air out, pushing the suction cap, open it, and just less than 10 pumps, and you already attach the suction cap. Because when you put the tool on the top, any tool, and you start pumping, you can just pump 15-20 times before you get this guy all the way down. Okay, so now we can make another cut on the top, at the bottom. This windshield is not really curved, so we don't have too much brackets here, so this is a good idea. If we have another one with a different design of bracket configuration, you have to get the cut here and pass over here, okay? So let me make sure this guy, because today the headliner is down and it's more easy to catch the sharp on the pitch wheel. That's it. We have more angle. Now what I told you before, you can use this tool to make the whole turn this direction, okay, and make the cut, but because you have a clip, it's gonna get more resistance. So let's gonna cut the bottom, and after that, just one more, okay? Now, let's lock this guy. Slow right there. Now fighting with your dolly hand is gonna hurt when you are older, so you have to hold with something here. Less pain, less problem here. And almost there. ¿Qué onda? Un banana split?
Una similitud.
Okay, appreciate it. And the only we have to do here is make the turn. Use the whole tool just to make the turn, and that's it. Okay, let me lock this guy. I don't see it too much, but I just guy in the line. There you go. And that's it, guys. Okay, so that's all. So this is the way you use the whole tool just to make the cut, because every time you need to make the turn, use the tool to create a big assistant corner. That's what it is, the tool, and the same time is a assistant corner, so that way you can really good, fast, and with no problems. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next video.